That's a big one.
Yep, it's hefty for you.
I think that's for you.
Me, I already got a piece in my mouth. Uh-oh. No Lola Ducky Dog today because it has garlic. There you go. Nice and hot.
The bread is so nice. Masam Lola.
Well, you kind of like.